Hey, good morning. This is Andy Cromer from Starfish Group Properties. I'm over here in North Fort Worth today, gated community where we're flipping a house just off of Basswood and 35, if you know that area. Beautiful neighborhood. Like I said, it's a gated community, so there is an HOA, but you've got that semi-privacy security that a lot of people look for. So I want to give you a look around the house real quick so you can see what all we've done. So 4-bedroom house. I think 2,900 square feet, so just a huge layout. So I'm going to give you a view coming in through the front door and walking through the property. So you can see a huge family room here. Leads into more of a formal dining room. So as you come in this house, you see you're walking in. The design is for more of a formal dining, formal sitting room up front. Then as you come in, you've got a bedroom, which could be a home office too. I think this is where the previous owners had their home office. And then you see you walk towards the living room, towards the kitchen, and then toward the guest bedroom. So this does have a good split floor plan design. So the master is to the left of the kitchen and the guest bedrooms or kids' bedrooms are going to be to the right. So we'll go to the right first as you come in. It's another bedroom, a larger bedroom. See, we're still doing, got carpet coming in today. Huge walk-in closet there. So this would be a nice kid's bedroom, good natural daylight coming in that front room. Next room you come to is laundry. Good size little laundry room. Then you've got your other bedrooms down here and a guest bath. Good extra hall closets. So plenty of storage in this house. And now we're going to go back toward the kitchen. The kitchen, we just painted all the cabinets. See, granite is in, new appliances are in, custom backsplash. We're waiting on one piece of granite for this little island. So you see a refrigerator on this side. Pan this way, a little island where your kids can do homework. People can belly up to the bar, as they say. Then you've got a gas cooktop, an oven and microwave combo over here. And our nice pantry in here. Gonna take you over to the living room. See a huge living room, gas fireplace. And then over here by itself, like I said, a split floor plan is the master. So that's the vanity that's going to be going in. So a huge master suite. Then this goes into the master bath. So that vanity will slide in here. And then you see we're in the middle of putting a huge shower in. So that freestanding tub will go right against the wall where you see that new drain. And then you have this huge shower. So like 3x6, 4x6, huge shower that someone will fall in love with. So this will be a huge master bathroom. You'll have a double vanity. Then you'll have a soaking tub, a freestanding soaking tub, and then a huge shower. So we'll have that tiled and then we'll have glass put in. And this project will wrap up in about another week. And then it'll be on the MLS. It is on the MLS right now, coming soon. So if you have a client looking for a larger home, single story, gated community, just off of 35, so very good convenience to Fort Worth, then just give us a call, 817-975-0678. This is Andy Cromer with Starfish Group Properties, 817-975-0678. We purchased this house from a couple that had moved to Houston. They got about 20% of the way through their own remodel and realized they did not want to remodel the house. It was too hard going from Houston to Fort Worth, back and forth every weekend trying to finish their own remodel. Once they realized that, the house was already torn apart, so they couldn't put it on the market. So we became the easiest solution. And that's our goal, is just to give great property solutions and options to families who need to sell a house quickly, that aren't using a traditional method such as listing with a real estate agent. Nothing wrong with that, but if you're looking to sell a house with no agent, no repairs, no showings, none of the hassle of going on the market, and you just need to sell quick for a fair price, please give us a call. Starfish Group Properties at 817-975-0678 for any of your problem properties here in the DFW area. So God bless you and have a great day. Thanks.